Caillou was excited. He was going to his friend Clementine's house to play with her.
Okay, bye. Clementine's mommy wants to talk to you.
Hi. No, that's not a problem. I'll drop Rosie off and then drive Caillou over. All right, bye.
Can we go to Clementine's now, Mommy?
As soon as I finish writing my letter, okay?
Caillou was disappointed. He didn't like waiting.
Caillou! Gilbert!
See you later, honey. I've got to get going.
Are you taking the car?
Yes?
Can you drop Caillou off at Clementine's?
Well, sorry, it's too far out of my way. I'd be late.
Can you drop Rosie at Grandma's?
Well, yes, but we have to leave right away.
Whee!
Bye, Rosie.
Who's going to take me to Clementine's house?
You and I are going to take the subway to go to Clementine's.
What's a subway?
The subway is like a train, but it goes in a tunnel under the ground.
Caillou had been on a train before, and he liked trains a lot.
Hold on to Mummy's hand when we go down the escalator, okay, Caillou?
Okay.
Caillou liked the escalator. It did all the moving. All they had to do was just stand there.
Ready? Jump!
Whoa! Oh. Mommy, can I do that too? Can I have some money, please?
Okay, let me see if I can find some.
Thank you.
It was as though the lady was playing her music just for Caillou.
I'm going on the subway.
Well then, you're gonna need a ticket, aren't you?
Look, Mommy. It's stuck.
Maybe your ticket can get it unstuck.
Ah! Mommy, my ticket's gone.
And is the metal bar still stuck?
No. Look, I got another ticket.
You can keep that ticket as a souvenir, Caillou.
Yay!
Caillou was so impressed with the turnstile that he wanted to try it again.
I want to go again.
You need a new ticket each time you go through.
I'll do it. Here, Mommy.
Why don't you hold on to it for me?
Okay.
Caillou was enjoying himself. He liked this underground train station. Mommy showed Caillou the map of the subway. It showed all the places the train went.
Where are we, Mommy?
We're here, and that's where we're going.
1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots. Look, Mommy. Little maps.
You could take one and keep it, Caillou.
Can I take one for Clementine, too?
I think that's a great idea.
Caillou was impressed with all the presents he was getting at the underground station.
We have to stay behind this yellow line until the train comes.
Your attention, please. Green Line train arriving on platform 7.
Caillou thought that the person making the loud announcement must be very tall.
Mommy!
It's okay, Caillou. That hot wind means the train is coming. Do you hear it?
Uh-huh.
Caillou Caillou found the noise and rush of the incoming train a little frightening. Caillou's fears disappeared when he saw the brightly colored trains.
One stop. I want to sit there.
Caillou, you have to wait until the train stops before switching seats, sweetie.
Look at me, Mommy. Look at me. I'm going backwards.
And I'm going sideways.
2 stops.
Caillou thought that the subway was pretty neat.
Hello.
Hi, Clementine. We came on the subway.
Hi, Clementine.
Hi, come on in. I can drive you and Caillou back home if you'd like.
Mommy, please. I want to go on the subway again.
I guess we'll take the subway home.
Let's go, Mommy.
We just got here. Don't you want to play with Clementine?
Oh. These are for you, Clementine. You want to play subway train? Okay. The map shows the dot where we got on the subway. Want to see it? Right there. This way.
Caillou liked the subway so much, he wanted to travel on it all the time. Caillou's race.
My turn. Gilbert, you can't play. 1, 2, 3. Vroom! Vroom! Vroom!
Caillou really wanted to win. He thought he should play again so that he would finish first.
Hey there, it's my turn. 5. Uh-oh, looks like I'm about to finish.
Caillou did not want to lose.
No! You can go 5 the other way.
Sorry, Caillou, but the rules of the game are to go forward. So, I'm finished. Beep, beep. I won.
I wanted to win.
You won the last game, and now I won, so it's even. Do you want to play another game?
Caillou was upset that he lost the game. He didn't want to play again.
Can you play?
Maybe Caillou needs a bit of time alone right now.
After a while, Caillou thought of a new game.
Hi, Teddy. Want a race? Me too.
First, Caillou needed to set a starting point and a finish line.
Go. I won.
Caillou knew that Teddy could not run by himself. He decided it would be more fun to race with someone that could.
Gilbert.
Hey, Caillou, what are you up to?
I'm playing with Gilbert.
Okay, have fun then.
See, Gilbert? We're gonna race over there, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! You were supposed to race.
His race was not turning out the way he planned. Who could he play with?
Aww. Rosie, want a race? Good night.
Rosie was too busy to play with Caillou,
Caillou.
but he wanted to race anyway.
There. Rosie! Ellie! You have to leave him there. He's the start line. Ready, Rosie? 1, 2, go!
Caillou couldn't believe that Rosie won the race. Rosie was so cheerful that soon Caillou was in a good mood too, and he wanted to play again, just for the fun of it. As good as new.
Daddy, Sarah's riding her bike. Can we go for a bike ride too?
I don't see why not. It's a great day for biking. Let's see now. Are the tires full?
Yes.
Chain oiled?
Yep.
Are the brakes working?
Uh-huh. Mommy, we're going bike riding.
That's great. We're going shopping.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Have fun.
Hi, Caillou. Look at my new bike. Hi, Leo.
Caillou was very impressed with Leo's new bike.
It has a special flag and streamers, see? Can I have a turn? No, it's my new bike.
I'm sure Caillou would let you ride his bike if you asked him.
That was fun. Thank you, Leo.
Well, it's time to go now. Bye.
Bye.
Caillou wished his bike was as nice as Leo's.
You know, if we clean our bikes, they'll look good as new. Here you go, Caillou.
That tickles.
Wow, they look brand new, don't you think?
Yeah, Leo has a flag and steamers.
Yes, those are called streamers.
Streamers?
When I was your age, I used to decorate my bike. Would you like to decorate your bike, Caillou?
Yes!
How about some red yarn?
Green too, okay, Daddy? See? Gilbert likes it too. How about these cards, Daddy?
They're perfect, and that will make a perfect flag. Stand back.
That's funny.
Caillou liked decorating the bike. He was having a lot of fun.
Yay! The flag!
Wow, your bikes look nice.
I cleaned mine.
I can see that. It's just missing one thing.
Wow.
Now Caillou felt proud of his bike.
Leo, come see my bike. Can we go for a ride now? Whee!
I, Robot.
Do you like my robot? Hi, Sarah. Wow. Show us, Sarah, please. Okay. You use the remote control. It goes forwards, backwards, and it can even pick up a stick. Bye. Gotta go. I wish I had a robot. Look at me. I'm a robot.
Caillou thought playing robot was a good game to play, but something was missing.
Hey, Leo, you need a remote control. Okay, robot. Go fast. Stop. Turn. No, this way. Slow. Fast. It's my turn. Go, robot, go. That way.
Hello. What game are you two boys playing now?
I'm a robot.
Oh, I see. What if I gave you a robot disguise?
Thanks, Mommy. Can I have that pot, Rosie? Ha! Caillou funny.
My turn now.
No, I'm still the robot.
But I want to be the robot too.
Caillou and Leo were upset because both wanted to be the robot. But who would use the remote control?
Oh, there's 2 little robots in the house now. Who's got the remote control then? May I have it, please? I wonder what all these buttons do. This one says jump. Imagine that. Oh, well, I have to go and cook dinner now. Thanks, little robots.
Let's see if it works on Mommy robots.
Mummy robot, mummy robot.
Mommy robot, get me a snack. Please?
What does this button do?
Wow!
You 2 boys are robots again. Oh no, the remote doesn't seem to be working. I wonder what happens to the robots if the batteries go dead.
The robots stop?
That's right. They go slower and freeze right where they are. Oh, what will we do now? I'll have to push the restart button right here.
Yum, yum. That's me. I'm Caillou. I'm 4 years old, and there's lots I can do. I can make things with my daddy. I know how to make my teddy bear all better. I even read stories to my grandma. But what I'm best at is having fun.